My name is Lucatero, and this is my Unit 3 assessment, the video project on fire prevention.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Amy Lucatero, and I am here today to talk to you about the importance of fire prevention, a critical part of keeping our community safe, especially given our unique circumstances in Baytown, where we are surrounded by the oil and gas refinery. Fire prevention boils down to three important factors, the famous three E's. The first one being education. Education is thinking about our local residents and our facilities and educating them on the importance of fire prevention, also giving school programs, and of course, public service announcements. Our second one is enforcement. This is where we ensure that everybody follows the fire safety codes. Regular inspections and swift action when violations are found are key. The third one is engineering. This ensures that we design structures to minimize fire risk. This includes everything from sprinkler systems to fire resistant materials that are used in the construction process. Here in Baytown, we enforce the fire code through a combination of regular inspection and complaint based investigations. Our fire inspectors are certified and trained to identify hazards and ensure compliance. When a violation is found, we issue a notice and work with the property owner to correct the issue. We also conduct follow up inspections to ensure compliance. Our fire code applies differently to new and older existing buildings. New constructions must meet the latest codes, ensuring the highest level of fire safety from the start. Existing buildings are often held to a different standard, but we focus on bringing them up to the latest code as much as possible throughout renovations or changes in occupancy. When it comes to determining the fire resistance of building material, we rely on local organizations like HTS Houston, which they actually conduct a standardized test to determine how long a material can withstand in a fire. Other common tests also include laboratory held tests. Fire tests and ratings are crucial for inspection and code enforcement. They tell us how long a wall, floor, or door can resist a fire to make sure that people have enough time to escape and giving the firefighters enough time to respond to a fire. During inspections, we verify that a building has the correct material that is rated for a fire set in place, and not only that, but that it is actually properly installed. In our area, some unsafe characteristics of unsafe structures include aging buildings. Just because we are located in an older region, the ones that are located right next to the refinery, ExxonMobil to be exact, and not enough sprinkler systems in the area in case of a fire. These issues often violate code requirements, which actually put the occupants at risk. Considering our proximity to oil and gas refineries, the buildings that possess the biggest threat for a potential fire spread are the older wood frame buildings surrounding the ExxonMobil refineries in the older side of town, especially adding the potential incidents that may happen inside the oil and gas refineries. To improve the safety of these structures, we need to strengthen our plans review and structural control processes. This means before any new construction or renovation begins, we need to ensure that they meet the latest fire codes, requiring permits and inspections for all structural modifications to ensure that they don't compromise any of the fire safety. And lastly, continuing our routine inspections of all of our buildings to identify and address any potential hazards before they lead to a fire. By investing in these measures, we can create a safer environment for all of our residents and our local businesses. Thank you for your time, and remember that working together, we can make Baytown, Texas a safer place for everyone.